So, in the subtopic 2.3, work, energy and power, there are two formulas that are linked, which are the kinetic energy, mv squared over 2, and the gravitational potential energy, which is mg a h. It sounds so weird. And now we'll see how they're linked. This, my friends, is an object. A really nice one also, because it's pink, but an object nonetheless. And that so basically the gravitational potential is up. Why? Because it's gravitational potential. There is the potential of gravity, which is acceleration, right? So like if an object is on a surface and can fall down, then it's like, for example, if you have like a nice vase, why don't you want to put it next to the table, to the end of the table? Because you're afraid of it falling down. And why? Because it has a high gravitational potential energy, right? And yeah. Well, you don't put objects down because they have a high kinetic energy, right? And like you're afraid of them, you know, falling down and spilling, well, when an object is mid-air, right, it just like, it can fall down, but it's like, it's moving, so kinetic energy is for movement, and gravitational potential is for falling down, so the object has both forces. Yeah. Many dubs and good night.